Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam. Here you can see Windows 11 has announced the new insider preview build, which is 22572, and currently I have installed Windows insider build 22567. If we talk about what's new in build 22572, so if we go to blogs.windows.com, and here we can see this build include addition of Microsoft Family and Clipchamp as an inbox app. Now, if we talk about Microsoft Family app, then it will give you access to apply parental control to your children's computer. You can apply a lot of settings to your family computers, and the Microsoft Family also include an app that is available for Android and iOS. If we talk about Microsoft Clipchamp, then this is a video editor. I will also put the link of the video editor if you are interested in the description of this video. And what else? So let's go down. So they also have fixed some bugs. For example, if we go a little bit further, and here we can see some of changes and improvement. For me, the biggest one is, every time when you need some more option in context menu, here you can see you can get some more option shortcut, which is you need to press shift and right click now. So let's say I want to open or zip or unzip any app. Let's open this file. So right now what we have to do, let's say I want to zip it and I use 7-zip, so I always need to go to this show more option, and now only I can 7-zip it. So what they are telling is now we can simply press shift and right click to directly open this show more option. So as of now, this build, which is 22567, this feature is not available. So even if I am pressing shift, I can't see show more option context menu. So that would be nice addition, I would say. Or if they can improve the context menu and we really do not need to press any button, even shift, then that would be great addition. Apart from that, here you can see the narrator will have now natural voice. And if we talk about the terminal, here we can see the Windows terminal is now called terminal under start. So let's install it and then I will quickly show you. Apart from that, now you can see there is change in WMIC. You can see other minor changes. If we talk about the fixes, and here you can see the fix. And the good thing is now they have fixed this Windows plus X button, which is currently present in this build. So if I press Windows and X, here you can see the entire Explorer got restarted. So that's a good news actually. So what are your opinion about this build, which is 22572, and what are your expectation? Please do let us know in comment down below. And I would suggest you that we should go for this build because this build is actually fixing a lot of issues that we are currently facing with the current builds. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.